Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2000 ECE paper, and this question is related to analog circuits. Look at the circuit diagram given. If the op amp in the circuit has an input offset voltage of 5 millivolts and open loop voltage gain of 10,000, then V0 will be A 0 volts, B 5 millivolts, C plus or minus 15 volts, D plus or minus 50 volts. Okay, so look at this one. What is meant by input offset voltage? Input offset voltage is nothing but even though you are not applying any input signal, there will be some voltage will present across the input terminals. That is nothing but even though if you are not applying any voltage, VID, okay, is not equal to 0. There will be some voltage difference will present between these two terminals, inverting and non-inverting. That is going to be called as input offset voltage, VIO. Input offset voltage, VIO. So it was given as 5 millivolts. 5 millivolts. So whenever it is present, this will be amplified by the open loop voltage gain, and that will appear at the output side. So V0 for this input offset voltage is nothing but open loop gain times of VIO. Okay, so whatever the different signal is present, that will be amplified by the open loop times. And whenever you are connecting the both are common inputs, that is if you are going to applying common input for both inputs, common signal for both inputs, or if you are not applying any input signal also, there will be a small difference signal is going to be existing between the two terminals. That is what we are calling it as input offset voltage, and it was given as 5 millivolts and also given the open loop voltage gain of 10,000. So we can calculate V0 using AOL into VIO. Actual equation is nothing but V0 is equal to AOL times of VID. So VID is nothing but VIO whenever no input signal is applied. So that is 10,000 into 5 millivolts. So this is equal to 50 volts. Okay, we cannot say this VIO whether it is going to be difference between, that is which terminal is going to be dominating, we cannot say. So generally it is going to be specified as modulus. So if you are going with this one also, you are going to be getting it as plus or minus 50 volts. Okay, but is this answer right? This answer is going to be a wrong answer. Remember that one. Why? Even though the multiplication is going to be yielding plus or minus 15 volts, but the op amp is used only with plus or minus 15 volts. The maximum positive voltage what you are applying is plus 15 volts. Maximum negative voltage what you are applying is nothing but minus 15. So the positive maximum is limited to plus 15 since the circuit is supplied with that much voltage only, and negative maximum is limited to the minus 15 volts as it is supplied with maximum of minus 15. So output can reach at most plus 15 or minus 15. It cannot reach more than that one. If it is reaching, you can apply any input so that you can get the required output signal, required output voltage. Okay, it is opposite to the law of conversion. So you cannot say that one. So since it is going to be going above, that is going beyond 15 volts, so that output voltage V0 is limited to power supply voltages, limited to power supply voltages, that is nothing but saturation voltages, so which are going to be plus or minus 15 volts. So output may be at plus 15 volts or minus 15 volts. We cannot say, because which terminal has more voltage we cannot identify. Because of that one, the answer can be C, plus 15 or minus 15. It is not plus 50 or minus 50. The right option for this question is plus 15 or minus 15. Thank you.